Accidentally left a Messenger group and want to rejoin fast? Here's how to rejoin a Messenger group after leaving in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. On Facebook Messenger, you cannot rejoin a group by yourself unless you have an invite link or another member adds you back. To rejoin instantly, the group must have an invite link created before or after you left. Ask any current group member to open the group, tap the group name at the top, and turn on Invite Link. Once they send you the link, tap it and select Join Group. You'll be instantly added back to the Messenger group. If there's no invite link, a group admin or member must manually add you back from the member list. You cannot search and rejoin the group yourself. Undo leaving the group. Rejoin without permission or link. Invite. Links can be disabled anytime. If the link doesn't work, you'll need to ask again. If you manage a group, keep invite links on to avoid rejoin issues. And that's it. That's the fastest way to rejoin a Messenger group after leaving in 2026. Subscribe for more Messenger tips.